Welcome to the video of setting up a network environment. This is part of Course 1, Tasks to Get You Started with ProSeries. My name is M.B. Raymundi, and I am a CPA from Trumbull, Connecticut. I'm a longtime ProSeries user and have been teaching both ProSeries and other Intuit products for a long time also. I am very happy to be here with you today. In this video, you will learn how to purchase a network license and then research network installation help both through the web and through the in-product help. One thing that you need to be aware of is that you must purchase a network license in order to use ProSeries on a network. And the weird thing is that you can install the network version, but if you don't have a network license, you will not be able to print or e-file. The software is actually considered to be in an unlicensed state. Another thing, if you install the wrong software, like network versus standalone or vice versa, you will need to uninstall the program completely and then reinstall it. So best practice is purchase what you need, and if it is for the network, do your research before installing. There is a lot of help on the website. You want to read through that first, and then if you still need help, go ahead and call tech support. If you're purchasing ProSeries by talking to customer service, you can just tell them that you need a network license. If you're ordering it from the website, it's a little bit trickier. So to find the network license screen or the product, hover over your ProSeries on the top bar there, and under add-ons there's something called network sharing. This allows you to add the networking product to your cart, and then you will purchase whatever product you are going to purchase. Now note, you can only purchase a network license for ProSeries Professional, not ProSeries Basic. Notice from this screen you can review the system requirements. Standalone is at the top of the screen, but as you scroll down, there is a whole section on here for network systems, and again, it tells you it's not for ProSeries Basic. Now let's figure out what information we need to know about installing on a network. If we hover over ProSeries at the top and under ProSeries Professional, click on Support, you can actually type in Network Install. You do receive a pop-up saying that this is a complex question and suggests that you call tech support, but I would suggest that you read the articles and guides first so you know the right questions to ask. And it may be that you don't even need to call tech support. Look at how many articles are here. We will click on how do I install a ProSeries to a network. There's also an article here on installing ProSeries as both a network and standalone program, and it tells you you can't do both. It also has an article on how to change an initial standalone installation to a network installation. Let's click on how do I install ProSeries to a network. I'm not going to go through this step by step, but be aware that you do have to set up certain folders on the server, and if you have a peer-to-peer, you will choose a computer to act as a server. You need to install ProSeries software on the admin workstation. So this is the workstation that gets the update. And then you need to set up each ProSeries user's workstation. Now notice that I said set up. You only run the installer on the admin. For the users, there's actually a file called setup that you access on the network. Now, although this is a great knowledge base article, you might also want to look at the network installation guide and maybe even print it off or save it to your computer. If we hover over ProSeries, you will see the ProSeries user guides under the resources. And notice that there's a ProSeries network installation guide for this tax year 2012. This is a 24-page document that gives you a step-by-step instructions and also some troubleshooting suggestions. Again, you might want to print this off or at least save it to your computer. Now that you know where to get the information, let's look at some screenshots on the installation. When you do the network installation, when the installation screen comes up, you are going to choose network. Now remember, you need to purchase a network license in order to use ProSeries on a network. If you click on Tell Me More, you will get in-product help on getting set up. If you click on the chapter for Workstation Installation instructions, you will get the instructions on how to install on the particular workstation the user workstation as opposed to the administrator workstation, which is going to be set up first. Again, there is a lot of help in the in-product help as well as out at the knowledge base. You have now learned how to purchase a network license and then how to research the network installation help both via the web and via the in-product help. I thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has helped you out. I would encourage you to watch the other videos, not only in this course, but in the other courses that are offered out at the website to help you become a better ProSeries user.